Once upon a time, in the magical land of Vikingville, lived a young Viking named Hiccup. Unlike other Vikings, Hiccup was not known for his strength or bravery, but for his kind heart and curious mind. One day, while exploring the outskirts of Vikingville, Hiccup stumbled upon a dragon's egg. He was frightened but couldn't help but feel a strange connection to it. Hiccup took the egg home, determined to protect it. However, caring for a dragon was no easy task. Hiccup faced many challenges, from feeding the dragon to learning how to communicate with it. One day, Hiccup's dragon, whom he named Toothless, accidentally set fire to the village. Hiccup was blamed and was met with anger and fear from his fellow Vikings. Feeling defeated, Hiccup decided to leave Vikingville. But Toothless, who had grown to trust and love Hiccup, followed him. They journeyed together, facing more challenges and learning more about each other. One night, they were confronted by the fiercest dragon of all, the monstrous Nightmare. Hiccup, using his knowledge and courage, managed to tame the dragon. He realized that by understanding and communicating with the dragons, they could live harmoniously with the Vikings. Returning to Vikingville, Hiccup was no longer seen as a weakling but as a hero. His journey had taught him the importance of understanding, patience, and the power of friendship. From that day forward, Hiccup was not just a Viking, but a true friend to dragons as well. And so, Hiccup's brave journey not only changed his life but also the lives of his fellow Vikings. He proved that strength is not just about physical power, but also about understanding, empathy, and the courage to do what is right.